Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashmi Anjulika. I am Shajan Navya, but my name is Sumajana Klauka. Good evening, ma'am, and my dear friends. I hope you are okay, alhamdulillah. I'm also doing well. Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to present. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite moment with a cup of coffee. During the Eid holidays, I went out with my friends. The day was simple, but it is very memorable to me because it was with my friends. So we planned a coffee outing in the afternoon. We visited a cozy cafe and ordered coffee. We spent time sharing our stories together, talking hours to hours, and we took different pictures. It was a good day. We created unforgettable memories together. It was a simple day, but it was very special to me. First of all, have you ever experienced a day or a moment that can change your life and have a kind of happiness to your family? For me, that day and that moment came on 24 August 2020. I still remember that there was light rain outside. We are waiting for the hospital. We are waiting for the news from the hospital. We are excited. Everyone was excited and a little nervous. One from the heart. She is almost 3 years old. One thing that makes me very happy that she calls me Ma. No one taught her like, to call me like that. She started calling Ma for her home. Our journey started back 2023 during my college days at the National School and College. It was interesting day. She was student of commerce and I was from humanities. In today's generation, it's very rare to find to you can read your mind. But Walisa is a short reader. She can catch my mood by clearing my voice tone over a simple phone call. And the very next day, she showed up. She's the first person I want to talk to. She is the girl I like the most. During our college farewell, she deeply wanted to ask where Shari. Today I am going to present to memorable family trip to Sonargaon. This trip was very special because it allowed me to explore the reach of history and heritage of Bangladesh. On 29 November 2024, my family and I went one trip with a memorable trip with my family. The sponsored by my aunt. Early in the morning, we enjoyed the journey together, and after a few hours, we reached Sonargaon. We visited Panam city. The ticket price was only 20 taka. Then we saw many old buildings. The architecture was very beautiful. We also visit Kashinath Fort. It was established Bangla year 1305. We took many photos and explored different places. Also, I enjoyed with my cousins. We spent great time together. This trip helped me. I learned that our heritage and history. I opened my door. I was shocked. My friends were standing there. They shouting like happy birthday. My little sister, she was only 10 years old. She brought me chocolates, coffee,
and some gifts item. This is very emotional and heart touch moment of me. Birthday are not just coming, getting older. It's all about celebrating the people who make your life beautiful. And the expensive gift doesn't matter. What matters, the love, affection, attention, care.